Today we are here at NatureWalk at Seven Hills by Artisan-Built Communities, and they have some new virtual reality technology that we get to experience. So let's go have some fun.
Greer!
Hey Trevor, how's it going?
Good
to see you.
Nice to see you.
I hear we've got some new technology.
Yes ma'am, we have our new virtual reality headsets so that we can help people tour a house that we might not have standing at the time.
Okay, this is so cool. Okay, so you've got these goggles, you've got the, what do these do?
Those are just your controllers so that you can move around the house.
Okay, can we check this out? I'm very excited.
Absolutely, come with me and I'll show you.
Okay. Oh my gosh, Trevor, that was so cool.
Isn't it fun?
I have never experienced anything like that. I felt like I was in all of these homes. It was amazing.
Yeah.
What has the response been?
It's been quite fantastic, actually. A few people are a little uncertain about it at first, and then their kids show them, hey, look, this is how it goes. And then they love it. They realize that you don't actually have to be in the actual home to experience how it will feel when you're in it. We have 3 decorated models, and we have 12 different floor plans. People don't always have an opportunity to see the plans that are coming. So it's been really wonderful for that purpose.
Well, I tell you, being in there like with the virtual reality, I really did feel like I got a great feel for each of the homes. So that was amazing. Now, what about availability for you guys? What's coming up?
Well, the wonderful thing is I have an entire street of homes that have all begun construction to close by the end of the year that are getting ready to be released for sale. And several of those floor plans are what we can tour today on these goggles.
Well, Trevor, I am sure there's some people out there that want to check out the virtual reality, come see the model homes. So what is the best way to do that?
Well, to do all of that and to see about our incentives as well, you can contact us at discoverartisan.com, or you can call at 678-515-9526.
All right, well, Trevor, thanks so much for being here with me today. You do not want to miss this virtual reality to check out all of these floor plans right here at NatureWalk at Seven Hills by Artisan-Built Communities. And I am going back into virtual reality.